Imagine holding the future of computing in your hands, a device so thin it feels like a sheet of glass, yet so powerful it rivals the most expensive workstations on the planet. For years, the base model iPad has been the reliable workhorse of the Apple lineup, the entry point for students, creatives, and casual users alike. But as we move further into 2026, whispers from the supply chain and leaked schematics suggest that Apple is about to shatter every expectation we've ever had for the standard iPad. We are standing on the precipice of the most significant redesign in the history of the 12th generation, a shift so profound it might just make you question why anyone would ever need a Pro model again. The tech world is buzzing with rumors of a complete internal overhaul, a display technology that was once reserved for the elite, and a processing chip that defies the laws of thermodynamics. This isn't just an incremental update. This is Apple's definitive statement on the future of the tablet. Think back to how the iPad used to be a simple portal to the internet. Now, visualize a machine capable of rendering complex 3D environments, editing multi-track 8K video, and managing AI-driven workflows, all while maintaining a battery life that lasts for days. The 12th generation is rumored to be the first to bridge the gap between entry-level and professional grade in a way that feels seamless and essential. We've seen the renders, we've analyzed the patent filings, and the picture being painted is one of total dominance. From the rumored implementation of a larger, more vibrant OLED panel to the introduction of the M3 or even M4-based architecture specifically tuned for this chassis, the specs are nothing short of breathtaking. But it's not just about the raw numbers on a spec sheet. It's about how this device will change the way you interact with the digital world, whether you're a digital nomad, a high-level executive, or a student looking for the ultimate academic tool. The design philosophy behind the iPad 12th generation appears to be limitless. Early leaks indicate that the bezels, already slim, are being pushed even further back, creating an edge-to-edge experience that makes the screen feel like it's floating. There's talk of a new chassis material that is lighter yet more durable, ensuring that this device remains the ultimate portable companion. The camera system, often an afterthought on the base iPad, is reportedly getting a massive upgrade, borrowing sensors from the iPhone flagship series to enable professional-level scanning and augmented reality experiences. Imagine a world where your basic iPad can map a room in seconds with LiDAR-like precision, or capture cinematic quality footage that looks indistinguishable from a high-end mirrorless camera. This is the level of innovation we are talking about, and the implications for the market are massive. As we dive deeper into the expected features, the most polarizing rumor surrounds the integration of Apple's next-generation AI, integrated directly into the silicon. This isn't just a smarter Siri. This is a system-wide intelligence that anticipates your needs, optimizes your battery based on your habits, and assists in creative tasks with a level of intuition we've never seen before. The iPad 12th generation is being positioned as the primary canvas for this AI revolution. When you combine this intelligence with the rumored Apple Pencil 3 support, featuring haptic feedback and even lower latency, the iPad 12th Gen becomes more than a tablet. It becomes an extension of your own creativity. The competition is scrambling to keep up, but if even half of these leaks are true, Apple is about to leave the entire industry in the dust once again. We have to talk about the price-to-performance ratio, because that has always been the iPad's secret weapon. In an era where tech prices are skyrocketing, the 12th generation aims to maintain its accessibility while delivering features that were considered unobtainable just 18 months ago. This is the device that will likely kill the traditional laptop for millions of people. With the refined iPadOS 20, the multitasking capabilities are set to reach a fever pitch, offering a desktop-class experience without the desktop-class bulk. Every leak, every rumor, and every whispered secret points toward a release that will define 2026. This is the moment where the iPad truly becomes the only computer you ever need. Stay focused, because as we peel back the layers of these leaks, you'll see exactly why the tech community is in a state of absolute frenzy over what Apple is about to unveil.